our view is that the same exact thing is going to happen in content. Because my definition of what a content creator is probably more broad than anyone else in kind of this event right now. I think people think of a content creator as someone who's creating short form videos on TikTok, or someone who's creating long form on YouTube, or someone like me who's creating on LinkedIn. I think every day a professional is creating content. A seller is creating content to try and persuade a prospect to buy from them. An engineer is creating technical documentation for their org. A founder or a VC is creating content to build distribution, to drive hiring, and to drive customers, et cetera. And so our view is there should be an end-to-end platform powered by AI that allows someone to go through their whole content journey. And there's 5 steps in a content journey: thinking of the content idea, creating the content, editing it, distributing it, and getting insights from it. Right now, the market is completely fragmented. People have this stack of tools to do every one of these different jobs. Our view is the last piece of content software that you will ever need